Good morning from Maine. It's cloudy and very cold today. It was 29. My dad just called and said, "Hey Brenda, it's 29 out." And I'm like, okay. So my dad's giving me heads up. But today, yes, Maggie May, I'll pick you up in a minute. Today we're gonna make peanut butter banana bundt mug cake, a mug cake. And we're gonna make it in this little dish here that I got, and it is MAINEiac ware microwave micro mini bundt right here, and the recipe's right on it, but I'm going to put the recipe below. I got it in my Taste of Home box that I get I think it's every 3 months, and it's 1 medium ripe banana, 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter, a half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2 tablespoons of mini chocolate chips. And that's it, folks. Sounds pretty easy, doesn't it? We got a bowl right here, and I'm gonna pan you down and show you everything we got that we're gonna start with here. Hopefully I don't drop anything, but you're going down, down, down. There you go, right there. We got the peanut butter, the chocolate chips, the cinnamon, my homemade vanilla from Mexico. We got the little mini bundt pan, the banana, the egg, and the baking soda. Now you're probably wondering why I put my egg in a separate container. I found you never know what's going to be in your egg. So let's get started. Gonna get the bowl, and we are going to mix it in the bowl. I like to break it up a little bit, just like this. And I have a little masher here that I'm going to use just to mash it. I think I'll bring you a little closer so you can see. Whoops. There you go. That was a little hard landing. That way we don't have to use a fork or anything. If you can mash it with whatever you got, but I just happen to have this, and I absolutely love this little masher that I have. It works so well. Just like that. And then it says you want the peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter. Oop, did I get my tablespoons out? I guess I didn't, but they're not too far. They're right over here. Whoops. I got them hooked up good. For once, they're in a place they're supposed to be. Yay for Ray on that one. That's because I'm doing everything again. Okay, 2 tablespoons. My girl was just right here, but she's now taken off. Sometimes I spray the inside of my container like here, and that way it's easier to get off whatever you're working with. Okay, just like that. You know me, I don't like to hit my bowls because my grandmother always taught me back in the Depression day, they couldn't afford new ones. I know we're not in the Depression, but did you notice it's still hard to find things around here? Okay, there's that. And then it says we want vanilla. We want 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. That would be this right here. Oh, if there was only smell-o-vision and you could smell this. Ooh, smells so good. I'm hoping once the borders open up, I'll be making a trip to Mexico with my son to see my granddaughter. It'll be so much fun to see her. She's 3 years old. She's a little spitfire. Okay, and then we're going to take the egg and We're gonna break the egg in here. Make sure there's no surprises. No surprises. That's what I like, no surprises. And then it says baking soda. The baking soda's right here. Ray got me these cute little bottles for Christmas and I really like them a lot. They got a nice seal on them. And we are using how much bacon? 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. I have different measuring spoons, but if I do this, I'll only have to wipe it good. I'll only have to do a little bit of dishes. My granddaughter's coming up to play with Maggie May today from the city, so that will be good. Come on. Yeah. There, I got it, finally. Holy camole. Okay, and then cinnamon. And the cinnamon is going to be 1/8. So we're just gonna take a little tad. I used to have a thing that said a tab and all kinds of the old sayings. Yeah, it's about 1/8 right there. Just like that. Got a good deal on this, $3.99 at the Christmas tree shop. And it's good till Best Buy 5/03/23. Woohoo! That's a nice date on that. Okay, and now I'm just gonna mix it a little and then we're gonna put the chocolate chips in. And then it says, once everything's all in, you wanna spray your little bowl, which I did. I put a little flour in it. And then you're gonna put it in the microwave on high for 70 to 80 seconds. It depends on the microwave. Then you're gonna let it cool, and then you can eat it in the pan or take it out of the pan. There, I think we'll leave it just like that. There we go. And we need 2 tablespoons of chocolate chip. Wow, I hope my girl don't come out because I just dropped the eggshell. That's okay. There's 1. And there's 2. It's almost time for her to take a nap because she's been a little spitfire this morning. She's been up since 5:15 going strong. There. Just like that. Then I'm just gonna mix this in. Just like this. See how nice that batter looks? Then we're gonna pour it in. It says it makes 1. There's 2 that come in a little, what do I want to say? A little plastic sleeve. There's 2. And this is the other mold. Okay. It says you're gonna dump it right in. Wow, that's gonna fill it up. Interesting. Well, I didn't know what I was gonna have for breakfast, but I guess I do now. There we go. Right to the brim. That looks good, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my microwave back here, and when it's all done, I'm gonna bring you and show you the finishing product. Hey everybody, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that bell and you'll get all notifications when I put out a video. You never know when I'm gonna put out a video. I tried to put one out every day except for Sunday. So I got it out and here it is. It's still a little warm. Doesn't that look good? The mold gives it good definition. I put a little Cool Whip on there, but it is still a little warm, but I'm gonna give you a taste test. Now you can see there's some batter here on the sides. I think maybe I would divide the batter up into the 2 molds. It won't be as big as this, but one I think is just a little bit too big. But here we go. Yeah, smells good. Mm-hmm. Oh, very good. I think I just found a new breakfast for me. Look at it. chocolate chips. It's all good. Try this if you have an opportunity to find these pans. They're called microwave mini buns, and the recipe's right in here. You can do a still on this. The recipe's right there, and I'll also write it down in the description box below. So hit that bell, leave a comment, tell me what you think. If you like it, if you don't like it, would you eat it? I'm telling you, I'm gonna eat it, and Ray has tomorrow off, and I'm going to make this for a surprise because it's got everything in it he can have. He can have banana, natural peanut butter, vanilla, egg, baking soda, cinnamon, and I use sugar-free chocolate chips. So there you go. So enjoy your day. God bless, keep safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Bye now.